Hey everyone, so I got an update regarding the whole bridge money fiasco that happened earlier this week. For those of you that were wondering, they are making changes to their cash out system and had announced that they are switching almost entirely to gift cards. Now, the key word to that is almost, and I will get to why in a moment. But first, let me get to this letter here that we got, this little note from Bridge that we got around yesterday, and I was going to talk about this yesterday, and I was unable to because I got really tired, low on energy. It was a long day at work and all that. So here we go. And this is for Earn Plus members only. So this is to our Earn Plus members. Quick follow-up. Yesterday, you received an email outlining a few changes to the cash out experience. We read your feedback and wanted to follow up with a few notes as to where we are headed. Our goal is to give Earn Plus members the ability to cash out every day with even more flexibility. We can now share that your cash out experience will be much improved within the next 2 weeks. Our team is working very hard to make this happen behind the scenes, and we are working closely with our partners. We appreciate your patience as we make this happen. We are committed to providing more ways to earn and a more consistent and reliable cash out experience. As always, you can reach out to our member experience team at help@bridgemoney.co if you have any questions. We appreciate you, the Bridge team. Now, I got in a little bit of an argument with AJ, actually, from the Beer Money Network, talking about, hey, does this mean that they're going to allow Earn Plus members at least to continue paying out in cash and getting our payouts in cash? He said no, I said yes, and we were arguing for a little bit until someone mentioned a response letter that they were getting to their feedback from Bridge. So let's get to that letter first. And it reads, "Hi there. Thank you for reaching out. Here are some of the changes to the cash out experience that are taking place. ACH cash outs are being replaced with gift card cash outs. The cash out minimum for members on the free Earn plan will increase to 1,000 coins beginning on Monday, June 17th. There are no changes to the cash out minimum for members on the Earn Plus plan. Earn Plus members will still be able to cash out to their debit card via Finix, our instant payments provider. We are actively working on increasing the number of gift card options available and are working with our partners to expand availability for instant cash outs. We will share more updates in the coming weeks. We appreciate your feedback, support, and patience as we continue to work and improve the overall cash out experience for all members. Thank you kindly, Remy from Member Experience from Bridge." So this message tells me a couple things. So first off, yeah, ACH cash outs directly to your checking account, they are going away. And that's going away for everybody. And the Earn plan for 1,000 coin threshold, I know a lot of people are not going to like me saying this, but I felt like it was only a matter of time before that was going to happen. I mean, Benjamin's minimum threshold is $25. What did you expect? You want high thresholds so that you're able to keep people, your more dedicated people paid, while those that are just looking for a quick buck, they can just cash out. They will probably not be able to cash out, and that's money that you get to keep. So I kind of understand why they're increasing the threshold, and it's still not 2,500 coins, which is what you're getting with Benjamin. The debit card being the most important one, being able to cash out via debit card, that means that Earn Plus members at least will still be able to cash out with the regular cash. They can still get their money via rent, for gas, for other stuff that they need, their necessities. And they say that debit cards are going to work. That's great. So that answers the fate of the debit cards at least. So we know, at least for now, that Earn Plus members will at least be able to cash out. So to review, ACH cash outs gone. They're pretty much going away. The Earn plan going to go up to 1,000 coins, $10, beginning on the 17th of June. That's for free members. However, Earn Plus members, paid members, will still be able to cash out to their debit card. So that means that you'll still be getting cash. It's just going to be a little bit more difficult, and you have to be a paid member to do it. Now, I don't know why they're no longer doing ACH transactions. Maybe they're getting a better deal with these partners. Who knows? But yeah, that's what it's going to be. And I'm going to have a Beer Money Roundtable on it, actually, on Saturday, where I'm going to get the opinions of a few other fellow Beer Money Network members. And yeah, we'll see what that's going to be about. That's going to be our debut for Beer Money Roundtable. I also will have a second Beer Money Roundtable set up regarding the Atlas Earth parcel upgrades, so that'll also be fun. As a matter of fact, as of this recording, I've already recorded them both. So expect the first one, this Bridge Money one, to come out on Saturday, which will be a couple days before the new stuff starts implementing, basically, over on Bridge. So yeah, it's a very short video for this one, even shorter than the last one. I just wanted to know, oh, you know what? While I'm at it with this video, one more thing, Q&A. So if you want to comment on anything other than Bridge Money, how about giving me a question for the Q&A? I'm doing a Q&A on the 30th of June. So let me know your questions, and I would love to answer them. I already have several from previous videos I can talk about, but we will get to do a full-on Q&A then. So that will be the question on the comment section if you don't want to talk about Beer Money. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Beer Money Engine, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.